hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's tutorial is on how I do my crochet hair. Please ignore my breakout of my face. Like, this breakout is giving me hell. I've tried a lot of things, but I'm still working on it, hair is really due. I haven't applied relaxer for a while now. That's why it's full, like it's really full right now. Just combing it out so that I can easily braid it, and I'm also using hand dryer because I want the hair to straighten a little bit, and because the weather is hot in Abuja, it's really hot. I'm drying my scalp off heat. I'm starting off from the side of my head since I'm making my hair myself, so I'm starting from the side because I really want to get a straight part. I section the left side first since it's the smallest section before I start sectioning the right side, which is the longest section. I'm just bringing out the baby hairs in front because I don't want to cornrow the front part. I want to do the baby hair stuff in front of my head. Sectioning it out, we just put it in a big or a loose box braid just so that it won't mix up with the back hair. Taking my time now just to section out the right side of my baby hairs, and I'm doing this with a tail comb, and I'm also using a hair clip to help hold down the back hairs so it doesn't interfere with the front baby hairs or the straight line I'm trying to achieve. Braiding or cornrolling the baby hairs into a big or a loose cornrow just to keep it away from my face and also from the back hair. Starting up with the back cornrow, I'm just doing a big cornrow, like big cornrows, or should I say is a medium sized cornrow, and I'm just sectioning the part I want to cornrow with a tail comb and cornrolling it all back.
Bound only by frozen memories.
The first line for the second cornrow, I'm just adding the tips of the first cornrow to the second cornrow and then just braid it down. So we just continue doing the same to all the cornrows, and when I get to the last cornrow, I'll just add the two ends from the left and from the right to the last cornrow and braid it down. You guys should not laugh at my cornrow though, because this cornrow thing is, braiding yourself is a struggle, is a huge struggle. Kudos to all the YouTubers out there that do their hair themselves. It's not easy. My hands were just paining me. The crochet hair I'm using for this tutorial, it came in this pack, but this is not the usual way they actually package their crochet hair, and this hair is from Allthing Savvy on Instagram. I'm going to leave the name here on the screen, or I'm also going to leave it in the description box in case if you are interested. Owned by a Nigerian, they sent me 3 packs of loose wave crochet hair. The coils is to the tip and it also bounces. Just take a look at the way the hair bounces. Texture is super nice, and you get to have like 20 pieces inside one crochet pack, and if you want to also cut it into 2, you can do that, and you get about 40 in a pack, but it's going to be really short. So now I'm just using my crochet pin to crochet like so. Insert the crochet pin to the cornrow and then hook the crochet hair to the pin, drag it out to form a loop, and then take the tip of the crochet hair, one of the tip, and drag it through the loop to form a knot. We'll continue doing so until I get to the front part of the hair, and like I said before, I'm using just 3 packs of the crochet hair. The third pack of the crochet hair, which I'm going to be installing in the front part of the crochet, and then we'll just use it to close the cornrows, the lines of the cornrows. Just watch.
We're free, bound only by frozen memories.
Installation in front is kind of different from the installation at the back. Yeah, I'm showing you guys how I put the cornrows together. That is joining the cornrows together, taking out the little gaps in between the cornrows. Doing this just so that the cornrows line won't be visible, and also so that I can easily style it in a side part while styling. So what I'm actually doing is just to take my crochet pin and insert it into 2 cornrows, hook the crochet hair to the pin and drag it out to form a loop. Then take the ends, like one end of the crochet hair, drag it through the loop to form a knot. Installation of the crochet hair did not take much time. It's even easier than cornrolling my hair. Altogether, it took me about, let's say, 45 minutes to 50 minutes to install and cornroll my hair. So after crocheting, I just decided to make myself up off camera. The front, I'm just loosening the front part of the cornrows I created initially with a tail comb, and after that, we'll just go ahead to comb it smoothly so that I can create the baby hairs in front of my face. This is the gel I'm using for this tutorial, and it's called Petals Gel. The last time I uploaded a video using this product, I got lots and lots of questions from you guys. The reason why I always use this product is because here in Nigeria, this is the most easiest and cheapest gel you can ever lay your hands on, and it works. It holds down hair at least for like 4 to 5 days, and sometimes I prefer it to edge control, because edge control you keep applying every day. Applying the gel in front of my head using the toothbrush comb to achieve it, and then create baby hairs afterwards. I'm just trying to blend my natural hair to the crochet hair with the help of the gel. You guys know that the gel is actually really dark, so it's helping my hair to blend together with the crochet. If you notice here on this channel, I'm always using affordable products and materials that you can actually easily get from your local stores. So that's why I actually use this product, and that's why I use most of the things I use, the materials I use. I don't want you guys to find it difficult getting the materials. I want you guys to easily get the materials anytime you want to. I don't want the hair to be too long, so I'm using scissors to trim off the tips of the hair and styling it to fit my face. Yeah, here is the final look. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end, and if you like the end result, just give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I decided to show you guys 2 different looks you can achieve with this crochet hairstyle.
You know I try, but I don't do so well with apologies. Hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness.